What is good, YouTube fam? It's your boy H-Town Sean.
And your girl Shay, and we're back
with another video. Today, guys, it's official, the first day of spring break. So the kids are out of school, and today we're about to continue our family tradition of going to Florida every spring break, guys. So I want you to watch this series of vlogs for the next week, guys. It's gonna be real lit. You really gonna wish you was there with us, guys. So
yeah, we were supposed to be out of the country, y'all. We were supposed to be somewhere in South Africa,
but you know, this strain of COVID came up.
Yeah. But next year, y'all stay tuned because it's gonna be real big.
Yeah, guys, and you know, next month we still gonna go out the country. We're probably gonna go to Mexico or something, you know, since those round trips are like cheap. It's like cheap, $250 or less. So like we really could have went to Mexico for spring break, but you know, we didn't really plan it. So guys, you know, it is what it is.
And we just recently got our passports back. So yeah. So, and y'all, we did get our drone back. Finally, the FBI sent back the drone.
Yeah, guys, and you know, Florida's always fun. Those are like the best beaches in America, so you know, that's where we're going, guys. But I just want you to watch all the vlogs from beginning to end, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be really, really lit, man. We're going to Universal this spring break, so guys, you definitely want to stay tuned, man, and you know, be a part of it. But anyway, guys, if you're watching this video right now, go ahead and
like this video, share this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know each and every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob. 1,000 subs.
Yes, we finally at 1,000, y'all. We appreciate each and every one of y'all that subscribe. We really appreciate y'all for the support.
Yes, guys. In my next vlog, we'll be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We already know who's gonna win, so we just have to go to Best Buy, get the PS4. I should have had it on hand already, but you know, I was last minute on this, so we're gonna go get the PS4. I'm gonna take it to the post office, send it out, so you guys gonna watch it. You're gonna see that these giveaways are real. Yeah, I'm not playing with people, so guys, you know, I just appreciate the support, and I just want you guys to keep rocking with us.
Yeah, keep riding with the mob.
Yeah, guys, and you know, we're about to have a great spring break. So today, guys, we're about to drive from Houston to Panama City,
guys. That's our first stop.
Yeah, this is just our first, you know, spring break vlog. It's gonna get better every vlog after that, guys. So, you know, I just want you to watch this from beginning to end. Keep supporting the channel. Stay tuned. Y'all, we had to make our stop at Buc-ee's because I told y'all you can't start a road trip without going to Buc-ee's. So we're gonna go in here, grab us some food, probably some I want one of those barbecue sandwiches.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you gotta come to the Beavers before you leave Houston, man. About to get some snacks.
It's packed.
I ain't never been to this Buc-ee's either, y'all.
Yeah, it's so packed.
Yeah, it's pretty big too though. I ain't never been to this Buc-ee's, but I've seen it before. But yeah, it is packed. And then our governor lifted that mask mandate. I don't know why he did that.
Yeah, I know. But we still gonna rock our masks the whole time, y'all. Yeah. They got different strains. We gotta protect ourselves.
Yeah, so we're gonna rock our masks the whole time. We're gonna be safe. Pretty big Buc-ee's too, y'all. Yeah. And just think, this big old Buc-ee's with a whole bunch of people with no mask on. Come on, you asking for Corona.
I see a lot of people with no mask.
Yeah, we trying to be safe, you know. Yeah. It's our first day on spring break. We're trying to be safe, but man.
You trying to make it back home safe.
Yeah, it's crazy in here though. It's a lot of people in here.
Yeah, we gotta pick up some snacks.
Sour cream and onion.
I'm finna get some Buc-ee chips.
Cheddar and sour cream or sour cream and onion?
Sour cream and onion. All these Buc-ee snacks. Buc-ee chips. They salt and vinegar was pretty good last time. I think I'm finna get sea salt. Salt and vinegar. Buc-ee snacks.
2 for $2. It's barbecue too.
Oh, I thought you didn't want no Buc-ee snacks.
I mean, just trying to get a whole bunch of things for the road, you know?
Yeah.
So we won't have to stop too much.
Yeah, we don't want to make too many stops. What about candy?
Because I mean, we're trying to get to Panama City to see the sunset. So.
Yeah.
No, I don't want no candy, but I do want some like honey buns or something like that. Something sweet.
Okay. Gotta get some cakes. Plenty of snacks. Yeah, that's my weakness. I love snacks. To go to the barbecue stand, get us some sandwiches.
What is this? What is true? Oh, true chopped beef. Okay. I actually want to slice.
Chopped brisket.
Oh, chopped brisket.
Oh, what you finna get? I'm finna get.
I get some slice of chopped.
I'm getting chopped.
What about for the kids?
Reagan can get a sausage on a stick.
Get one slice and one chop.
And Reagan can get one of these. You know, he like that.
Let me go get my wallet real quick.
Okay.
Now guys, we got everything we need. Got our good snacks. See y'all. Abby, you need to listen, man. Even the beaver got a mask on.
Yeah.
That mean make that mask mandate valid again. But yeah, y'all. Now, next stop, probably Louisiana, by New Orleans, and then Panama City. So y'all stay tuned.
Okay, guys. We're in a part of Louisiana on I-10, and we've been gone from the house for how many hours? 7 hours, and we still in Louisiana, stuck in traffic.
Yeah, it's been about 20 detours a day. Hold up, 6 minutes faster.
And it's telling us to exit.
Nope, now I say go straight. You say 6 minutes faster. Sorry, y'all.
So yeah, man, it's been a long day.
Alright, y'all, we had to make a pit stop. Gonna get some gas. We in
Get some last
Hammond,
minute
Louisiana.
items.
Yeah, we like 30 minutes away from New Orleans.
Y'all,
on
we
the
been in
other side of
traffic.
Lake Pontchartrain.
We've been in traffic all day long.
Yes,
We've been
y'all.
gone from home since 10 o'clock this morning.
Yes, and it's 5:40 right now. We've been gone since 10 this morning. We've been on the road for 7 hours, y'all. We ain't made it to Louisiana yet. But yeah, we gonna stop here. We gotta get some
Last minute things that we didn't get to stop and get.
Yeah, we forgot to grab some diapers, honestly, y'all. We forgot Layla diapers, so we finna run in here and grab some diapers. Then I need a USB cable. And then
We're gonna
next
get gas,
stop.
we get on this road. Next stop, Panama.
Yeah, next stop, Panama City Beach, y'all. Y'all, we gonna close out the vlog on
We're
the
gonna show
beach.
y'all around the hotel, because it's
Yeah.
supposed to be really nice, so stay tuned for that.
Yep, and we're gonna show y'all the beach, so stay tuned, y'all. Man, y'all, this is the quietest sounds I ever seen in my life. Louisiana, y'all got a nice little sounds. Everything in order. In Texas, everything. Just thrown everywhere, y'all.
No, it ain't that bad.
It ain't that bad, but man, this bad boy quiet. You can get anything you need in here. They fully stocked. But yeah, I need a USB now.
Yeah, I know. Let's see what we can find. Maybe some batteries so they can do the infotainment center in the truck.
Yeah. We do need some batteries. Yeah, we do need some. We ain't got none?
No, they don't.
Yeah. Look, y'all, they got Nautica chairs.
Yeah, I like this one right here with the
Yeah,
stripe.
Nautica coming up. They dripping.
The flowers.
I know, I might get one. It's only 30 bucks. Yeah, they got name brand chairs. I ain't
I
never
don't
seen
think you
that
can
before.
fit them
Yeah,
to
I
travel
know.
back.
I know, but I would get them. They nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Yeah, it's good now. Yeah, now we got everything we need, y'all.
About to get that traffic.
Yeah, we about to get back on the road with this traffic, man. Like I told y'all, we've been in Louisiana all day, y'all. Still ain't made it to
Going
Louisiana.
down back roads and everything to get around traffic.
So now we gotta make it out of New Orleans, y'all. And
We gotta
then,
come back to New Orleans.
yeah, we're gonna have to come back to New Orleans,
Yeah,
y'all.
it's just me and you.
Yeah, for real, cause I haven't really been here since I was little. So me and Shay gonna have to come back and, you know, experience New Orleans, do a vlog on that, guys, you know. And, you know.
And it's Mardi Gras season, ain't it?
Yeah, it is
I know
Mardi
it's
Gras
crawfish
season.
I want some crawfish. You've been seeing a lot of crawfish, little huts.
Everywhere, yeah. But now we about to gas up, y'all. And we on to Panama City.
Hey guys, we just not making it to Panama City to our hotel.
808 right here.
Yeah, room 808.
This is nice. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is really nice. Oh, it's right here. Oh, but check out the view from the front of the hotel. I can't wait to see the room hotel. Huh?
Down there better.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, kind of.
No, I'll sleep here up here, boy.
Hey, they got bunk beds.
I know. That's the extra bed. Man, I guess this is nice. Oh,
And there's a
y'all
whole
got some
small
bunk
little
beds.
TV.
Oh, and the TV over there.
Oh, no way. Hold up.
Is y'all really sleeping in bunk beds?
This is straight.
Yes, this will do for 2 nights until we go to our next destination,
Got a
huh?
nice little patio. Entrance to the patio. Let's check this out, boo. And then it's the top floor.
Oh yeah, we on the top
Oh,
floor.
God. Yes, sir.
Riley, you sleeping up there?
This looks like a deathbed.
Let's check out this view, even though it's pretty dark outside. But I hear the waves.
I know, it's a little too dark.
Oh,
look at that.
they go to Lazy River.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks like a boy.
Somebody walking the beach right now.
Yeah, it looks like a boy. Look at the dog.
Not gonna be me, y'all. We tired, y'all.
Yeah, exhausted. We just
Yeah.
did 12 hours.
No, yeah, more than that.
Yeah, I know we was in
this
traffic.
Let me see inside.
But yeah, this is super nice.
Me and Shay probably finna walk down to the beach. Just came to get a glimpse of the pool.
Yeah, but I see a bar over there.
Yeah, I know. It's a lazy river too.
Yeah, Lazy
I'm
River
gonna go check that out
bar.
in the morning.
And I think this is heated. I think this is a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
A heated pool.
Should be open though. That's stupid. I know we're gonna rent one of those tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we just walked outside just to see what's going on the strip.
Yeah.
Get us
It's
some
pretty
alone
late.
time.
It's past midnight.
Yeah, get us some alone time.
12:15.
And y'all, we left at 10 this morning, man.
Yes, we've been in traffic majority
The
of
whole
the day.
day, y'all.
Traffic, bumper to bumper.
Yes. If you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and
Like this video, share this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you know every time we drop a new video. Ride with the mob.
Ride with the mob.
And guys, now we're on our way to 10,000 subs. We
Yes,
got a
thank
long
God.
journey to go, so you
Yeah.
know, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get there. It's gonna take some time, but we're gonna get there.
And
So,
each vlog is gonna get better and better, y'all.
yeah, so just keep rocking with us, guys. But right now, we're about to get some sleep. We're very
Yes.
tired. It took us 14 hours on a 10-hour drive, guys.
Thanks to traffic on I-10.
It took 7 hours to get through Louisiana because
Yes.
like it was traffic. It had us going back road after back road. Like, God.